I'm gonna try $25 of free play on this Ultimate Firelink Explosion. I have had 0 luck on this, and I am not ready to give up, so let's have some fun. Got it. Not a bad start. Come on. Every time we get a spin, we get 3 more. Now we need, right there, we need 2 more to unlock the next level. So 3 more spins to get to do that. Come on. Buckaroos. Wow, that was good. That was really good. Considering it was free play. I only used $22 on my free play, so. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's have some more action. We had a little bit of action a while ago. Come on. Oh, I still stand by my original comment that this machine is really hard to hit. But right place, right time. Sometimes you just get it just right. Oh, that would have been nice. That was a nice one. That was very... Okay, maybe I'll have to eat my words, I hope.
my goodness, look at this. Wow. Okay, I have to take that back. It's a good machine. Very, very nice. Ooh, 437. Now that was nice. Okay, I do like this machine, and the little guy clapped for me, so. Okay, it was a good hit. Come on. I'll take some more. Ooh, perfect. Looks like my machine woke up. Come on. So I need 3 more to open this up. One more. Come on. Got it. We have a $40 one up there. Ooh, got the mini. 30 buckaroos. We need 2 more to open up that top level there. Okay, hey, it's still pretty good. I think. Nice. Little guy's clapping for me again. Okay, I'm learning to really like this game now. Nice. Let's try a $5 bet. Couple of them. Back to green. Okay, I'm gonna play down to 7 and leave happy. Come on. One for the road. Come on. Oh. Okay. Well, I cannot complain about this. I really like this machine. We'll see you next time.
If you like this kind of content and you would like to see more, please subscribe, like, and share. I would truly appreciate it.